Zahid, what's up, brother? All right, we are live again. It's been a while. Zahid. Oh, what's up, brother? Whoops. Okay, we are live again. It's been a little bit, but we are back on the YouTube stream for the rest of the week. Good morning, Unknown. Good morning, Zahid. Good morning, Jason. Bro, it's been a while since I said those words, man. Good morning, Unknown. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Zahid. Today we got an interesting day. We dropped all the way down to 1914, and now we're back up. We were down like almost 2% in Asian session. What's up, Piotr? What's up, brother? So my anticipation is two things here. One, bearish. As always, as usual. All right, fair value gap. Asian session did bring us a lot lower, but then it also brought us higher. We have a bearish bias. I think we're still melting down to some new lows. I don't think we're going to reverse here. A part of me just wants to short right now on this for value gap here. A part of me wants to do that, but I'm gonna wait 1 minute. Balance price range lower. I mean, my target would be Asian lows. Depending on the reaction we get at 9:30, I might take a short. If we don't just rip up higher. I'm going to sell off here. We're going to sell off, I mean. Let me know if you guys can hear that in the background. If you can't, then that's fine. But just let me know if you hear some chattering in the background. I'll fix it. Fix my microphone volume. 9:30 open. Red's up 4%. Tesla's up 1.2%. Bitcoin's up 4% again. XRP's up 5%. Brother, damn. It's a whole fucking party in my house right now. It's like 5 people. I didn't even know that was happening. All right. Still looking bearish. No obvious change of structure has happened. We have a market structure shift here. I want to see if we probably have SMT. We don't. Okay. We'll have a break of structure here on the 15-minute hourly chart. We could trade down to this imbalance and move up higher, but I think we have 9:30 manipulation above highs, and then we're going to move down lower. Two-minute probably. No, it's still messy. I do like how the bodies are respecting this fair value gap. Might sell off here. Look at that wick. Time distortion. Wicked right below this low here. So you want to wait for a little bit more confirmation on if we are going to move lower. You want to see a body here. That's what we want. Right here. What's up, Nix? Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Long time no see. Looking at this for value gap, what we want to see is institutional for entry, Joe. We don't want to see it go above mean consequent encroachment. Probably will leave it open. But again, we're bearish. It's not even going to have a fair value gap, eh? Yeah, it's closing it. Don't want to force anything in this price action. Are you not working today? Nope, not all week. I'm not. I'm streaming all week, brother. By the way, if you guys haven't joined the Discord already, I recommend joining the Discord. So much information there. Every single ICT core content PDF. Every single ICT core content topic notes of mine. Every single ICT 2022 mentorship video notes. A bunch of different notes, psychology tips, just weekly review sessions, everything. How's my job going? Job going's great, brother. Great to see you too, my man. Job's going great. Traveling a lot, so that's pretty nice. I'm going down to San Francisco in April and then Vegas in August for it, which is pretty cool as well. You can see we're just melting towards sell side, but it's choppy right now, so you don't want to catch anything. You want to stay patient with what we're looking for right now. We can jump up a time frame. All right. This looks like a clear break of structure. But with this, you see that we wick down into this hourly bullish fair value gap. Just there. So we could possibly see some movement higher. If that fair value gap is going to drive price up higher, we would want to see those highs displaced above. I've been waiting until 950 pretty a lot. Yeah, bro, that's key, man. 930 tends to be a lot of manipulation. Waiting for a macro time frame before you take your first trade is a good piece of advice that I used. That helped me got my first payouts when I was trying to get my first payout. And then I used it on my biggest payout. That was my whole model, was waiting for 950. You can see 930 brought us down into that hourly fair value gap. Same with ES. I think we have SMT. I don't know. Bodied SMT maybe. So this looks like we want to be bullish here with this hourly reaction after taking sell side. For our candle could possibly move up to this fair value gap after a big heavy day. So it's a pretty big fair value gap. Might need to trade on micros. Pretty good trade there. We would want to go for this 4-hour fair value gap up here. We're gonna go for this on a micro. Probably get institutional order flow entry, Joe. I've been the liquidity way too many times. Hey, bro, everybody has. But look at this reaction. Nice reaction here off that hourly fair value gap. And I'm going to buy that. Right here. Take profit. Top of the 1 hour SIBI. $3.8 RR. Clean reaction so far on the entry of the BISC here, right? You have 9:30 time distortion, manipulation down into the 1 hour fair value gap, expansion above 9:30's high, as well as 9 a.m. high, and then a retracement back up into the upper quadrant of the first presented fair value gap after 9:30. And a great reaction, bottoming above here, confirming a bullish order block, which is bringing us closer to a take profit. First partial will be this high up here. Right now we have a bullish order block here, which should be respected. That should drive price up higher. This is a very high probability order block as it trades down into an inefficiency. Order blocks that trade into an inefficiency that take a form of liquidity, internal or external range liquidity, are high probability. Down close candles and up close rallies are not order blocks. It has to take a form of liquidity, internal or external range liquidity. That is what validates a high probability ICT order block. That's what we have right now, and that's what should drive us high. Smart boy. Now, we break this high, and I'm dragging my stop loss to the low of this order block. We took a form of liquidity here. And then we're forming a swing high. But we barely touched into there, so there's a possibility we can trade a little bit deeper. But this order box should reject price. If it doesn't, then I'm not liking the trade. But again, we should still continue up higher. It was a great reaction, I'll tell you that. Trades until a BPR here. I'm gonna close. Drag my stop loss actually. Instead of closing in case it wants to wick out the original buyers and then move back up higher. Because of that reaction, I'm dragging my stop loss. Okay, decent reaction. I'm dragging my stop loss down to that low now. Back revisiting this high, I'm going to take a partial. Let's see what the market's doing. Tesla up 4%. Nvidia up 2.6, Reddit up 7% after 20% fall yesterday. Okay, we're revisiting this high now. I'm gonna take a partial right now. Oh. Okay, first partial. No matter what, winning trade here. By the way, everybody, if you are not in the Discord already, I recommend joining the Discord in the description in this video. I don't like this consolidation around this 15-minute BPR. But I do like the fact that we moved down all the way lower and then traded all the way up above again, instead of just trading all the way lower at this time. I just don't like this reaction on the 15-minute BPR. Try my stop loss. All right, bodies are respecting consequent encroachment. I might want to take a short here. I'm going to close. Okay, I closed the position. I'm going to rescalp in with a little bit of less contracts up on a short. Down here. Stop loss up here. This is our trade down to Asian lows. What's up, Weedy? How's it going, brother? Long time no see. This 15-minute reaction here of the body's respecting consequent encroachment. Very clean. I'd be surprised if it disrespects it. It could retest it again, but for it to disrespect it, I'd be pretty surprised. Especially with the bearish bias that we have already with this month and this year. Quantum computing off 5%. When's the stock's earnings? 27th. I'd be very surprised if we disrespect this. Sweeps liquidity, trades into it. He's coming at 10. What's up, USAYD? What's up, HP? All good? I can re-enter into a short. I don't want to keep my long bias. $19.58.581. I don't see any equal highs. You know what? You could say I probably just feared out. And you guys witnessed that live. I wasn't a long and I just feared out. It's all good though. I was in this long. Great entry. And I was just like too scared on the consolidation of this. And I closed too early. Didn't trust the higher time frame bias. It's hard. You know what? It's hard to long in this market. It's hard to long in this market. Especially with the long that is already in a 4-hour SIBI. It's hard to long in this market. Like this. That's why that is probably the only reason why I got out of this trade, is because of current market conditions. So right now I'm break even. Five-minute. Those aren't equal highs, brother. That high took that high. Rookie mistake. It happens, brother. Look at that reaction, though, on the daily fair value gap. Let's see what the weekly chart's saying. Down to that order block. We could possibly be reversing here. So we could reuse this fair value gap as an opportunity to go higher one more time. You said those are equal highs? Relative equal highs, high probability relative equal highs are the opposite of this. When this is higher than this. When this is higher than this, it's controversial. ICT says it's not as high probability, but it's still relative, I guess you could say that. Oops. Nvidia up 3%. Reddit up 11%. What the fuck? This thing is just going crazy. Well, she stocks mostly higher. Pre-market Tuesday. MicroStrategy robbing the markets to advance. Reddit sold shares worth 1.8. Yeah, I already saw that. Where's MicroStrategy? 2%. This is about to rip up higher. It's at break even. Okay, we're at the lower fair value gap and retesting the 15-minute SIBI. What's an inversion? Touches consequent encroachment, turns up higher. I'm going to get rid of the 15-minute SIBI box. I'm going to put this fair value gap here. I hate executions, bro. I'm sorry, but I just can't keep them here. You saw what they are. If you want to ask what they look like again, you can. It makes my chart look so ugly. What's up, Ice? Long time no see, brother. I've been doing good. I've been doing great. Today's a little bit of a rougher session, but I still think we can go draw to this up high up here. This is an inefficiency. This 1 hour reaction. We could drive up, possibly up to this 1 hour fair value gap before we move lower. But maybe not. Tough day today. Tough day for my model, at least. How's trading going? Trading's going good. I'm mainly swing trading now. Low probability day. Yeah, it's the day before CPI and the day after a long range day. Stop. It's all good. We're one trade down. We have a winning trade, a stop, and then a stop. So we're 1 and 2. I'm going to wait for more confirmation with this 15 before I enter into anything. I want to get out of this range, possibly trade down here before I enter into a short for these lows. This is going to start ripping, guys. I'm telling you, by the end of this session, this is going to be up here. But recovery day in the markets, I would say, after a huge meltdown. Anticipating that we could possibly just consolidate. That is pretty high probability where we can just consolidate today. We have news in 5 minutes. Yes, we do. Amy. So many ways to pronounce your name. Amy. I'm going to say Amy. With this reaction, though, 10 a.m. news should bring us lower. I left my phone in... Brother. I left my phone in my other room. I actually think this is going to go down to the negative of 0.69 or something. It's positive 0.69. It's probably going to go down to the negative 0.69 before it moves back up higher. By the way, we have our trading Discord that went out public yesterday, by the way. If you want to join it, go to the description of the YouTube and you'll be able to see it. Ugly candle. Yeah. Was tough this morning. Oh wait, those messages are just loading right now. Day before CPI, we had a large range day yesterday, saving my mental physical capital for today. Exactly, brother. Whoops. 10 a.m. could bring us something, though. Look, it's down to 0%. I literally predicted it. It's going to negative 0.69 before it goes up higher. News in 1 minute. Tough day today, but it was anticipated. These are all lows that are going to get swiped out at news. It's either that or it's going to just use that as support to move up higher. But I don't think that's the case. I think this fair value gap is driving news all the way down here. We'll see in 50 seconds. Just wait here. 10 seconds. Watch, it's going to drive the price lower. Boom. Predicted. What day is it today? Tuesday? Yeah, it's Tuesday. We have jolts. Tomorrow's CPI year over year. PPI. Consumer sentiment. Ugly. I mean, that's a nice wick down to that 15-minute BISI, which could drive price up higher, but I don't want to be longing in markets like this. Longing is just not my thing to do right now. Just lower probability. What's up, John? How's it going, brother? I swing trade now. I swing trade now because of my work. But for the sole purpose of this, I'm just doing something for the stream, you know? Look at that reaction, though, for the 15-minute down into that BISI, and then it trades up higher. What would be the target? This high could possibly be the target. Do I think we're going up to this high? Probably not. Is there a possibility? We could. Could be. We could have a really good recovery day. Do I share my swing trades? Not really. Failed to partial? Fuck, brother. Yeah, TradingView does bug a lot. I've found recently that, especially like connecting to an account, paper trading or a broker, it lags a lot. Yeah, this is just sloppy price action right now. What the fuck? Fuck is this, bro? No, this is the reason why I'm fucking fat, bro. This is the reason. This is the reason why I'm fucking fat, bro. My mom just walks in and hands me a fucking menu. This, bro. Bro. And they wonder why I was 300 pounds as a kid. Literally trading. My mom walks in, hands me a piece of paper, hands me a fucking menu for a restaurant. What the fuck? What am I? It's fucking 10 a.m. and we're gonna order a fucking Nashville hot chicken sandwich and a pulled pork buffalo fries fish taco. What the fuck? Now we're dumping. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, every time the higher time frame wants to respect something like this, it tends to just wick up so much higher and then trade lower. That's why I was nervous around this area to long, because I knew like something was going to happen for shorts in that. Yeah, we're selling off now. I knew it. I knew we weren't gonna long today. It's too obvious. Honestly, bro, selling short at market open might be the play. Here comes another crazy sell off. Probably another 1 or 2% sell off day. Somehow, while driving price so much lower, the algorithm finds a way on the smaller time frames to just manipulate people to make taking longs, like it did right here, reacting off this setup but wicking higher so much. Low probability day though. I mean, it is post news, so it could create better opportunities now. Ugly price action. Could use that inversion, but it's not looking too great. Could use this as an inversion, but you could use this fair value gap as well. What's up, Joel? Where have I been? Been working, brother. Well, I'm all in my Discord now. Everything got transitioned over into my Discord now. I like this reaction here. I might sell off and put my stop at the consequent encroachment. Just want to wait to see what this body does. I'm gonna take this short here. I kind of like that reaction. Just want to wait for this body close. See if we retest it one more time. You get a better fill. Okay, last position of the day here. Relative equal lows. Got to get back up on Discord. Yeah, brother. This Discord is crazy. This Discord is crazy. We got so much here. We got all core content notes, all ICT 2022 mentorship notes, right? Prerequisites. Every core content PDF. And then I'm teaching a little bit about sales and running a sales funnel for the Discord. And then we have the reviews here. A lot of positive reviews. Yeah, today's rough. I'm going to sit out. Don't want to go crazy today. It looks like it wants to move higher, but with the current market conditions, it just doesn't want to. I'm not going to fucking destroy my mental capital. Today is a garbage day. Yeah, it's so true, Adrian. Look at this. Yuck. Yuck. At this point, it's just drawing out for value gaps and guessing at this point. Look at that, 0.69. So you don't want to do that. Seems like a seek and destroy. Yeah, it does. It's pretty ugly today. I think what it's doing is it's going to just consolidate for CPI, right? The move. The clean session was during Asian, and now we're just going to consolidate. And then CPI is going to come and hopefully drive us way higher. But I don't think that's going to be the case. Consumer Price Index. What's this? NASDAQ composite. Search for a tradable low. What? Wall Street set for muted open. Nothing important. I mean, this 15 minutes still looks like it wants to be respected. But with this market condition, I think it's going to just be consolidation because it's in between two higher time frame PD rays. Right, 15-minute BISI, 15-minute SIBI, and we're just going to chop in between here. If we go down to the 1 minute, you see that majority of the volume is in between these two PD arrays. We have our wicks, fume, right? But in between these two PD arrays is where all the chop is, all the noises. So we're just going to bounce in between these two things, maybe up, maybe down, take a form of liquidity, but just stay around this area. This is going to act as a magnet for the day right here. And you call me a kid? Bro, you change your profile every single day. You're a 16-year-old white chick. But yeah, this is just ugly price action. Nothing too anticipated. Hovering over daily open. The stars are aligning to saying it's just going to be low probability consolidation. That's all it is. That's all it is. Here's another sell-off. I know we're going to go down to the sell side. I mean, if I really wanted to, I could just open up a short, put my stop loss probably right here. Put my take profit here. 2RR. It's not going back up to the high of day, right? I'm not going to do that, though. Full port liquidity sweep. You know what to do, guys? 1,000 contracts. I can't wait for CPI. It's going to be a great day. Post CPI, I always love. I always love post CPI price action. But I think that's probably going to be pretty much it for me. There's nothing here that I really want to look for. It's pretty ugly. Textbook ICT play right there. Textbook ICT play 1,000 contract, 2,000 contracts, and just flip a coin. But yeah, I'm going to hop off, guys. I'm going to be active in Discord. I'm going to be posting more insight into the Discord. I got a lot of things to do for this. I got a lot of ads to run and a lot of things. Stay tuned for some people posting in their channels. And yeah, we'll chat in this Discord, and I'll be live tomorrow on the YouTube for CPI, which is going to be a great day, great session. I love it. Hopefully it's not like this. I don't think it will be. But tomorrow is going to be a banger of a stream, so let's save our capital for that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.